IILM has a robust career development center which is well connected with different industry sectors. The principal focus of Career Development Center is to foster corporate connect by facilitating industry engagement. Placement opportunities are sought for the students based on their aptitude and interest. The Career Development Center frequently networks with the best companies in various sectors such as FMCG, banking, automotive, research, IT, and consulting. IILM has infrastructural facilities for conducting recruitment processes for companies on campus, which includes group discussion rooms and conferencing facilities, etc. Career Development Center renders outstanding placement support to students by using a well-planned roadmap. Students get support for choosing their career options, preparing their resume, and building their LinkedIn profiles. Career Development Center also organizes mock group discussion sessions, aptitude tests, and personal interviews to prepare the students for final placement process. Students also get support for summer internships and are encouraged to do live projects during which they are mentored by Career Development Center or their coaches. All these activities empower students with the lifelong career decision-making skills and prepare them on acquiring and demonstrating the right personality traits at the workplace. Getting a job offer in a campus placement drive is one of the biggest concerns of the students in their final year of the college. But it is not difficult to crack the campus placement interview. To make sure you get the job of your dreams, preparation is the key to success. Finding a job can be challenging, more so when young college graduates without any experience look for freshers' job. Their best bet is to have an offer in hand before they exit the campus. To prepare for the campus placement interview, it is important to know what an organization looks for in a new hire from the campus. Once you know what they are looking for, it's easy to prepare for the campus interview. To help you succeed in your campus recruitment drive, you can follow the tips to crack campus placement interview. The first and foremost tip is research. Start your preparation by researching the companies you are sitting for, or can say your dream company. You can use the internet for your primary research about the company, connect with your seniors, family and friends you may be working or would have worked in the company you are interviewing for. Get an idea about what they look for in a candidate and prepare accordingly. You may also go through review sites like Glassdoor to get an understanding of the questions asked in previous interviews. Second tip would be make that first impression. So your resume is your opportunity to make that first impression. In a campus placement interview, it's important to have the right sort of resume, as a recruiter has to go through a lot of similar resumes. So it's crucial to make your resume appealing and easy to understand. Use bullet points to help the recruiter understand your achievements quickly. To create a job-winning resume, one should make sure to add education, academic projects, skills, notable achievements, work experience in terms of internship, live projects, etc. And make sure that your resume should not look cluttered. The third tip I would say, read about the company and the job profile. It is recommended you understand the company and job description in advance for the interview that you are sitting for. This information usually helps a candidate to make the right answers and frame statements based on the need of the job role. Fourth one would be prepare for the aptitude test. Most companies these days that visit MBA colleges opt for aptitude test to know the intellect of the candidates. Aptitude test is one of the hurdles that you are required to clear before you could reach the next round in a campus interview. My next tip would be practice for group discussions and case studies. Some companies start their campus placement interviews with group discussions and case studies. Some MBA college jobs usually require you to lead, collaborate, and drive a project. So companies look for candidates who are comfortable in groups and can share their views confidently and get along with others without being brash or offensive. So your communication skills will come to your help here. Work on your spoken English if required, speak slowly, and think before you make a point. My next tip would be to understand interview questions, and I mean to say that interview questions can be based on your profile and level of education. You may also be asked questions on any projects, internship, work you may have mentioned in your resume. Preparing in advance for common interview questions such as why should we hire you, or tell me about yourself, what is your greatest strength, what is your greatest weakness, why do you want to work here, tell me about a time you showed leadership skills, tell me about a time you were successful on a team, can help you to gain the confidence. Next one would be on time for your interview. Since a recruiter in a campus drive have to interview many candidates, make sure you are on time for your interview round. Now, it's very important to dress to impress, to make the right impression, dress for the occasion. The key lies in wearing something you are comfortable and confident in. Last but not the least, Google past placement papers, because most companies have a standard set of campus placement interview questions, which they usually repeat in the placement session wherever they go. So the idea is to get a sense of the pattern and the kind of questions asked in campus placements in colleges. Follow these simple tips to crack your campus placement interview and get the job you deserve. All the best and my good wishes to all of you.